Embrace laughter yoga for a healthier, happier you. Are you feeling stressed, down, or battling health issues? It's time to infuse your life with laughter and joy. Laughter yoga is an empowering choice for anyone seeking positivity. Developed by Dr. Madan Kataria, this unique exercise program allows you to laugh without the need for jokes or comedy, and it is embraced in over 110 countries. By merging laughter exercises with yoga breathing techniques, Pranayama, you can enhance your oxygen flow, revitalizing both body and mind. Just 10 to 15 minutes of laughter yoga can combat stress, bolster your immune system, and maintain a positive outlook, even in tough times. Let laughter be your path to wellness.